ready to trot. We're ready to trot. We're about to gate.
I remember Dad was in Farriers, she was in Vermont.
This is your first
And the riders top threes all shot.
We saw a kick up.
Abby,
Yeah.
diagonal.
She's got to be more gentle. Tell her to slow it down.
No, she would let go. He would slow down.
Good hope. Little longer rein, hope. And
Grace.
faster.
Easy.
Long range.
Nice.
Long rein, hope. Abby, can you change your diagonal? 6. Almost. That was a good try.
Try one more time.
One more time.
You thought 5.
Good. Trot fast.
He's almost.
Trot fast. Come on. Kick, kick, kick. Go, 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 go. Come on. Catch the other boat.
And the riders walk please all walk. And reverse at the walk riders, reverse at the left.
Long. Let go of the reins.
You were fine. You started to get a little awake, alive. You made it out alive. That is all.
The only thing I have to add is Barry was asked about doing that adult limit activity. That's it. Not
Alright, so we
before
have to do that. So there's 25 in that very easy.
And the riders.
Now trot fast. As fast as you can. Come on, the candy store's open. You and Flora gotta get there. Diagonal. Sit, sit. Can get the post one time.
Good girl.
He just walks up with one person on the other. We will have something. I don't even know. They don't even know the last one. She's on this one.
That's what you get for yanking.
Slow down.
A giant debacle.
She deserves it.
Shorten your reins a little.
And the riders walk please all walk. And if you'll line up in the center of the ring, facing away from your distance.